Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about Paleolithic diet, also known as Stone Age diet, Hunter-Gatherer diet, and the Caveman diet. But the popular one is Paleo diet. Paleo diet is a dietary diet based on foods similar to what might have been eaten during the Paleolithic era, which on 2.5 million to 10,000 years ago. The diet typically includes lean meals, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seed, or anything foods that can get through hunting and gathering.
Basically, paleo diet is likely more like only humans eat. The reason is that the human body is genetically mismatched to the modern diet that emerged with the farming practices. This relatively late and rapid change in diet lower the body ability to adapt. That's why they believe the mismatch is contributing factors to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease.
There is no right way to eat for everyone, and it's the same for the paleo diet. Some eat a low-carb diet high in animal food, while others follow a high-carb diet with a lot of plant. Here are the guidelines in paleo diet. We have to eat meat, fish, egg, vegetable, and fruit. Then we have to avoid processed food, sugar, soft drink, grain, and the most dairy product. In summary, Paleolithic diet very depend on the availability and location. The basic concept of paleo diet is to eat whole food and avoid processed food.
Over the past few years, the paleo community has evolved quite a bit. There are now several different versions of the paleo diet. Many of them allow some modern foods that science suggests are healthy. This includes quality grass-fed butter and even some gluten-free grains like rice. Many people now think of paleo as a template to base your diet on, not necessarily a strict set of rules that you must follow.
The first benefit of paleo diet is it increases insulin sensitivity. As most of the paleo food mostly contain a low carb, so it will decrease the demand on the pancreas to produce insulin. Based on some research, practicing paleo diet can decrease insulin secretion, hence will improve the effectiveness of insulin in our body. In addition, high insulin sensitivity is good to us as it will allow our body cells to use blood glucose more effectively, where it also will reduce the blood sugar and other possible diseases such as diabetes.
The advantage or the benefit of the Paleolithic diet is help us to lose more weight. A Paleolithic diet can help us to lose more weight because it is high in protein, low in carbs, and incredible filling. It is also eliminates highly processed foods and added sugar.
Lastly, the benefit of paleo diet is it could prevent disease. By following a paleo diet, you are automatically eating more anti-inflammatory foods and cutting out a lot of foods that are known to cause inflammation. You will also eating more foods that contain antioxidants and phytonutrients which can help in preventing heart diseases. By that, you are also naturally avoiding a lot of culprits responsible for disease and illness like junk food and fast food.
So today I'm going to present about excessive protein. Excessive protein is one of the disadvantages of paleo diet. The paleo diet includes a large amount of animal protein. This includes meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. Apart from fish, these foods are high in saturated fat and cholesterol. Excess animal protein consumption can lower blood levels of HDL cholesterol while increasing the LDL levels and your risk of heart disease.
Consistent low carbohydrate intake may lead to an overuse of fat for energy, also known as ketosis. Ketosis occurs when byproduct of fat breakdown called ketones build up in the bloodstream. High level of ketones can lead to dehydration and eventually come due to several metabolic abnormalities. This results in the breaking down of muscle mass, which is known to increase our metabolism and help us burn more calories per day.
According to a study published in European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, a paleo diet increases level of trimethylamine and noside, a metabolite associated with the heart disease. Decreased consumption of the carbohydrate, especially from the fiber-rich grain, and increased fat, saturated fat, and cholesterol intake, the paleo group led to more gut bacteria species linked to the heart disease.